If someone lives in Vrindavan for a long time as a Krishna Bhakta, Radha Krishna Bhakta, and doesn't become mad, something's wrong in the calculation. Something went wrong somewhere. Didn't play your cards right. Lost the match or whatever. Lost the hand. This is the nature of Vrindavan. Every saint, you read the lives of Mirabai or anyone that come here, they're mad. They're singing mad songs in love of Giridhari. And we have phrases like Pagal Baba, Pagal. And Chaitanya Charitamrita in Bengali, it says Lord Chaitanya was Pagal. He was crazy in love for Krishna, right in the Bengali. He's a founding acharya, the founder acharya of the Hare Krishna movement. It's Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he was pagal. He was mad. Why? Because he was in Gopi Bhav. Unmad, Uttam Mada. Completely mad. Ha Radhe, Ha Radhe, Ha Radhe.